areas. Not just canvassing, but even with the physical presence. And I can't say much at the moment. See, right now I'm very excited. John, the questions you're putting on, I don't know what to say. Okay, so give me some time. I'll answer the questions later on. Right now, I want to spend some time with my people who have really helped me in this election.
Mr. Suram, this one question I would like to pose before you. Your father has scored a legacy in this very constituency and you elected to you elected from this constituency with your father left after he was fired. Can you really take that onus in you to carry that legacy forward?
So you give me, this is the first day. I'm only elected, but few hours. You give me some days, give me 1 month, give me 1 year. I'll try my best. And I pray and hope that with all the support I'm getting at the moment, I will continue. I'll try to do whatever the part is not there. That's all I can say at the moment.
Okay.
Congratulations.
By the way, Batitos, look, you are one frontline leader of the UDP. What do you think are the attributes that made your candidate win?
Because this is the people's story. It never was done by the
So you think that a common endeavor made by the entire MDA rather than the UDP?
DPP also has practice. And the MBA partner also they have.
You have promised the people of Shillong that you will ensure that Sora will be upgraded to a new district. So now that you have been elected, what steps will you take?
See, if you were there in the campaign, I never stressed that but I said we will try our best from the party and we will see what comes forward. We will do our best. Okay? We will do our best to ensure that we are district, but right now I cannot say, I cannot promise something which I have not yet decided. First I have to sit in the assembly, I have to discuss, then we'll see about it. I cannot, if you ask me that question, right now I cannot say that I will do that. But give me some time. Let me at least learn from this. It's just day one. Give me some time, then we'll see about it.
So congratulations.
Ivan, follow me.
Mana?